Hey, church family. I just want to take a moment to let you know about our online giving here at OABC. And I also want to share a couple of neat tips that just might be able to save you a bit of time and might be able to save both you and the church some money. So, first, a way to save on the debit and credit card transaction fees. If you currently give online right now using your debit or credit card, the card processor actually takes about 2% of each transaction, which either the church pays or you can click a tab and help cover that cost yourself. But a second option and a way to bypass this fee is to give via your checking account using a personal check. And I want to show you how to do this. So simply head to our church website at oabcmodesto.com. Now, in the upper right hand corner, click Give, and that will bring you to our online giving page. Now, here you can either give a one time gift or set up recurring donations. Now, we strongly recommend trying out recurring donations because that means you won't have to worry about forgetting to give. So, as it fits your personal budget, as it fits your ability to give, we definitely recommend this option. So, let me show you how this works. Simply scroll down and choose the appropriate drop down fund. I'm going to give to our tithes and offerings. Input your amount. And then if you did select recurring giving, go ahead and select your frequency and your start date. Now, under I'd like to give by, most people give with their credit or their debit card. Now, I want to encourage you to start giving through your bank account. This is also called an ACH transfer. And if you choose this option, the fee is only 35 cents per transaction instead of the normal 2% fee for credit or debit card usage. So go ahead and put your name, input your account type and your routing number and your account number. Then scroll down and input your billing information, your street address, your zip code, email address, and then go ahead and scroll down and click submit. And then you're done. Your banking info is safely secured with NCS e-giving services, and you've potentially saved yourself both time and money. So if you haven't tried out online giving, we encourage you to give it a shot, and we hope you found this video helpful. Well, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.